Namaste, I'm Archana. Welcome to day 28. In today's session, we're going to be working on strength as well as flexibility. We'll begin the session by sitting in a comfortable seated position. Closing our eyes, palms come to rest on our knees, chin parallel, shoulders squared. Just keep breathing in and out. Slowly noticing how you feel in your body. You can drop it here to one side and to the other, just moving your neck. Drop your chin to your chest. Roll your shoulders down, chest pushed forward, shoulder blades towards the midline. See how that feels. Notice how you feel in your back, in your belly, all along the lower body. Just wiggle your fingers and toes. Just becoming aware of any kind of tightness, any kind of tension in your body. As you breathe in, you can continue to keep your eyes closed. Raise your arms all the way towards the ceiling. Gaze towards your fingertips. And back down. This time, breathing in, bring your arms all the way up with your right. Hold your left wrist and bend to your right side. Once again, come back to center. This time to the other side. You can grab your wrist, your right wrist, and stretch. Come back. Release your hands. Move your neck side to side. Small circles in your neck. Just a couple of them here. And back. Now we're going to turn and twist to the right side. And to your left. Just swinging your arms actually here. 2. You can turn and look, breathing in towards one side, breathing out. Notice the nice twist in your abdomen. I'm at a loss of words today here. And last one. Now from here, we're going to sit Child's Pose, Balasana. Open your knees as wide as you can. So we're going to begin with this stretch here. Walk forward. Rest your forehead on the mat, or you can stack your palms one over the other. The idea here is more to focus on keeping your knees wide rather than bringing your forehead to the mat. Stay here. You can always stack your arms one over the other. Bring your forehead down. As you breathe in, notice the stretch. Maybe in your lower back, maybe the inside of your thighs. Just bring your awareness there and exhale. Come up. We're going to come into our first stretch here. Legs together. I'm going to simply step my right foot on the outside of my left, either the edge of the mat, or I'm going to go a little wider onto the floor. Stretch the other leg out here. Lift, don't drag. Hold here. You can stay here for 3 breaths. Relaxing your face. You're noticing the nice opening in the front of your left leg. Just being aware of what's going on in your body. And exhale. I'm going to just bend my knee. So my hip stacks over, my left hip stacks over my knee. I may walk my leg in if it's really wide here. Heel can stay engaged, toes can point towards the ceiling. And notice a nice stretch in the back of my calf muscles. Walk my hand here, trying to bring my belly towards my thigh. Ardh Hanumanasana. Notice the stretch all along the back of your legs. Bend your knee. This time, I'm going to try and rest my chest over my leg, over my thigh. Drop my chin towards my chest. Stay here, breathe in. And breathe out. Notice the stretch change on the inside and outside of your left leg. It may feel differently for you. Wherever you have the tightness, just become aware of it. Engage your toes. Lift your legs. Shake it out. Shake your knees out. Step the other leg on the outside. Drop. The big lizard stretch. And simply staying here for 2 breaths. Utthitha Pristasana. Breathing in, breathing out. One more breath. And we're going to repeat what we did on the other side. Move your hips, stack it over your knee. Walk your other leg in. Heel engaged. And drop your belly towards your thigh. For me, this leg feels different. Notice the stretch all along the back of your legs. When I compare it to the other side, this feels more tighter. And one, bend your knees. I'm going to just stack my chest or my upper body over my thigh. Chin to chest, forehead in the direction of knees. You can keep completely flat palms, or you can be on your fingertip. Place your palms and shift your leg. Lift your leg and bring it to join. Completely collapsing into your Padahastasana. Coming all the way up to Ardh Hanumanasana. We're just hinging, we're not rounding, I'm not bending at my back, I'm hinging here at my hip. And back again, Padahastasana, bringing my belly towards my thigh. This time, breathe in, reach my hands all the way up towards the ceiling. Sit back into my first Utkatasana chair pose. If I look down, I should be able to, I lost my balance there, press my feet, I should be able to look at my toes. My knees are not going all this way. The next one, we will be doing that. Keeping my arms in line with my ears, pressing my foot into the mat. Notice a little bit of heat in your thighs. 2. And 1. Hinge and collapse. Padahastasana. Once again, breathe in. Slowly come up. This time I'm going to raise both my heels off the mat. My knees now will cross the toes. Come into my balance Utkatasana. Breathe in and out 2. You should actually feel this in your thighs. Relax your face. And relax. Fold forward. If you want to go this deep, you can simply come to your Padahastasana. Move your knees if you want to. And from there, go all this way up again. Breathe in. Breathe. Raise your heel up. Balance. I'm going to go deep into my Utkatasana chair pose. Trying to touch my thigh to my calf. Raise my heel up. Stay here. 1. 2. Arms towards the ceiling. Your arms in line with your ears. And release. Breathe out. Shake your legs out. Inhale. Slowly come up. A lot of coordination of your breath with your movement. Be very mindful of how you move. Breathe in. Reach your right leg behind. So it's wide. My toes are pointing towards the long end of the mat. Come to your Veerabhadrasana. Breathe in. Reach up. Stay here. Breathe out. Reach and interlace your fingers behind your back. One last one here. Again. Breathe in. We're going into Veerabhadrasana. Humble warrior, Badha Veerabhadrasana. Arch your back, look up at the ceiling. And this time, see that your knees are in line with your toes. Trying to bring your forehead towards the mat. Breathe in. And see that your feet is not rolling up. Press part of your left foot into the mat, the little toe side. Inhale, slowly come up. Please breathe in. Straighten your legs. If you want, walk your legs in. Just collapse here. We're not going to do any deep stretches. Do your wide pyramid. This is more like you're relaxing your spine, relaxing your leg. Bring both your feet together. Shake your leg out. Now again, breathe in. Reach your hand up. Step your other leg back. Veerabhadrasana. You can see how you place your leg. Legs are wide. Knees stacked over your ankle. Arch your back if you have to, or you can simply stay straight here. Just trying to bring your knee over your ankle, thigh parallel. One more. Just staying here, enjoying this stretch. A lot of balance, strength. Breathe out. Interlace your fingers. Inhale, gaze up. Exhale, your Ardh Hanumanasana. Trying to bring the crown of the head towards the mat. One more breath, in and out. Slowly come up. Release your hand. Just fold forward here. 2. I'm not even trying to keep my knees straight. If it bends, that's comfortable for you. Just bend. This time, I'm going to take the leg behind. Open your legs wide. Rest on your belly. In Makarasana, resting the inside of your foot. Stack your palm one over the other. You stay here breathing in and breathing out. One more breath in. And breath out. Bring both your legs together. Palms come beneath your shoulders. You can simply end up in that position, or again just opening your knees really wide, stretching your hands forward, rest your forehead, or stack your arms and rest. You can simply stay here or chant one round of Om. Take a deep breath in. Thank you for joining me in today's practice. I would love to hear from you in the comments below. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do. I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Namaste.